Friends, in this module we are going to start our third question. What is that? So we have to find the given series is there in geometric progression or not. After that we have to calculate three more terms. If it is there in geometric progression, we have to calculate three more terms. So here what is the geometric progression? What is the conditions? So here every term will be multiplied with a constant term. So previous term is multiplied with some other constant term in order to give the some more terms. So geometric series, so what is that? A r square, a r power cube, or a1 r, a2 r, a3 r, a4 r, and so on. This is the way we will get. So here what is the first one? 4, 8, 16. So 4, 8, 16 is the first one. Series 4, 8, 16 and so on. So we have to calculate what is the common ratio. So common ratio is R. So common ratio R we have to calculate. So here what is the A1? So A will be equal to 4. Then A2 will be equal to A1 will be equal to 4. A2, A3 will be equal to 16. So ratio will be, you can take A2 by A1, that is 8 by 4. 4 ones are 4 twos are, that is 2, we got it. Then A3 by A2, so 16 by 8, 8 ones are 8 twos are 2. Yes, we got it. Common ratio is same. Now common, therefore R is same for all the quantities. Now what you can say here is, so A3 we know, that is A4 will be equal to A3 into R. So A3 will be equal to 16 into R, that is 32. So then A5 will be equal to A4 into R. Why? Because we are going to multiply previous term with a constant term, that is common ratio. So A4 is 32 into 2, 2 twos are 4, 6, 64. Then A6 will be equal to A5 into R, that is 64 into 2. So 2 fours are 8, 2 6 are 12. So three more terms we are calculating. So what is the sequence here? Therefore 4, 8, 16, 32, 64 and 128 and so on. So this is the series we are already calculated three more terms. Now what is the second one? So here second one will be 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6, 1 by 12 and so on. So first term A1 will be equal to 1 by 3. Then what is A2? Minus 1 by 6. Then A3 will be equal to 1 by 12 and so on. We will get the terms up to n terms. So here what is the common ratio? So R will be equal to common ratio. So common ratio, that is R will be equal to A2 by A1. A2 will be equal to minus 1 by 6, 1 by 3. So it will be going to reciprocal here. So 1 by 3, A by B whole divided with C by D means, so we will get A by B into D by C. So minus 1 by 6 as it is, then it will get reciprocal. So 3 by 1. So 3 ones are, then 3 twos are. So minus 1 by 2. So that is the case. Then A3 by A2. So A3 is equal to 1 by 12 by A2 will be equal to minus 1 by 6. As I told, what is the formula we are used here is A by B whole divided with C by D, that is A by B into D by C. So that is the formula we are using here. So 1 by 12 into minus 6 by 1. 6 ones are, 6 twos are, so minus 1 by 2. So therefore R is same. Common ratio is same, then the given series in geometric progression. So don't get confused. Then what is the A4? A3 into R. So A3 into R. What is the A3? 1 by 12 into R will be equal to minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 24. Minus 1 by 24. Then what is A5? A4 into R. So minus 1 by 24 into minus 1 by 2. So minus into minus will become plus, that is 1 by 2 fours are 8, 2 twos are 4. Then what is A6? A5 into R. So 1 by 48. So into minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 8s are 16. Then 2 4s are 8, 9, 96. So this is the series. Therefore, what is the terms? 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6, 1 by 12 minus 1 by 24, 1 by 48 minus 1 by 96. So this is the series. This is the way to find the calculations. If you like the video, please like it and try to share with your friends and family members. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.